Okay, so the name of the key assignment is modeling temperature data. The year we were assigned was 1999. My name is Netza, and my teammates are Maria Fernanda Rojas and Sara Paula Berrum.
For this project, we use the table that shows the national temperature of 1999 in Mexico. We investigated that in Conagua. And well, so here's the chart we did for the temperature and the average temperatures on each month of the year.
And so based on this information, we did this graph in Desmos, and we took the amplitude by the maximum, no, I, excuse me, by taking off the minimum y axis of the maximum and dividing it by 2, and we had 4 for the amplitude. The vertical shift we did the same, but instead of resting we were sum, and it was 20. And for the period we needed the initial point and the end point, and also rested, and we had 12 as a period. um, so we got the b by using 2 pi dividing by b, and we just cleared it and we got pi under 6. And after that we got c with theta and uh, clearing minus c over b, and we got minus 3 pi over 6. And so we got this equation that we graphed and made uh, made it this way.
Our conclusion are that both of the graphs have the same structure, that is a time series, but some of the dots may vary in their position at the top of the graph, and that the data that we used is based on the national monthly temperature, and the behavior of the temperature as time passes is that it increases for a time, but it decreases dramatically, and for less time it peaks to the lower temperature of 16 degrees, and the period represents the cycle of the national temperature in the year 1999.
Well, so that was our core activity. Yeah.
So my collaboration in this activity was important because this activity needed a lot of procedures because it was a whole graphic. It was like a whole graphic with a lot of data, and we had to get like the statistic of the temperature. So I think it was like really important to like do it as a team because it's definitely not easy to like do it alone. And the strategies that our team set was like to do something specifically, and if obviously if anyone needed help, we help each other. And so I think it's easier than doing one problem at a time together. And when one of my teammates contributed with ideas, it was like, you know, to embrace that idea and obviously take it into account and be like, oh yeah, like we may can do that. And things like that, and to achieve the team goal.
Well, hi, I'm Sarah, and my collaboration on the team was important because every single part of the project was important, and so I did the period part, and I consider that that was really difficult part, but every part was important and difficult, so I think it was well, a big opportunity for me to collaborate with my team. And so our strategies were just to write the chat and put our effort into that, and like then do Zooms and discussions so we can all get together our information and have the same ideas and everything. And so when every one of the teammates contributed ideas, we listened to them and we applied the ones that would work for us. And to achieve the team goal, I did this part of the period and helped a little bit with the conclusion. As well, we did the discussion and I participated in that.
I consider my collaboration to this activity was important because I think I was kind of the leader during this activity. The strategies we used were dividing the work, and if we didn't know something, we could help each other between teammates. Uh, when one of our teammates contributed with one idea, we accepted it and tried to include it. If it was not possible, we just leave it aside. And my contribution was achieving or getting almost all of the equation and the graphs. But my teammates also did a good work, and they helped me a lot to achieve this goal.